So to set up your Whatnot stream, firstly go to your Whatnot, log into your account, and once you're in the Seller Hub here, you can either use the app version or your desktop, doesn't matter. But app is more handy for me, so I'll just use that. Hit on sell, and then now click on create a show. And from here, what you're going to do is you're going to go and give your show a title. So what is your stream? A show means like your stream. So what is the title? So just give that something that's catchy. Okay, I'm just going to do a random one here, don't worry about it. And then select when you want to stream it. So if you want to stream it, just select the time and date for it. Okay, once you have streamed that, if you're streaming right now, then you can just leave it as it is. And repeats, if you want this to repeat again, you can select that, hit on next, and then here select what is it about. So what's your category, what's your stream is all about. Select all those things, your category and everything. Okay, and the format and how do you want to do it, or whether you want an auction or what. So just select that. I'll just leave it as it is, hit on next. And then here you can add an image to your streams just to make it look more attractive. So you can add an image or anything, so you can do that, or you can add it later. Okay, just do that, hit on add. And once you're done with that, here you will now almost you need to give permission to access your camera and audio, because we're going to live stream it, so you need to do that. So once you give permissions to all those things, to your camera and mic and all those things, okay, next is you're going to add your products. So okay, so you need to go add your products. So what are the one that you want to stream about, just to give some basic information, details about it, add that. And once you're done with that, you can simply go live, similar to how you like go live on other social media accounts like Instagram. You'll be live, and then you can start on your live. You can talk about your show, your items that you'll be selling. You can show them, show demos, just bring in customers, and then get your purchase done. So that's how you actually stream it, or you actually go live on Whatnot.